Now here the question is 12 identical balls are to be placed in 3 identical boxes. Find the probability that one of the boxes contains exactly 3 balls. Since the balls and boxes they are identical, it's just a problem of partitioning. So we have to partition this 12 in 3 parts. Now it can be done as 12 0 0 or 11 1 0 or 10 2 0 or 10 1 1 9 3 0 9 2 1 8 4 0 8 3 1 8 2 2 7 5 0 7 3 2 7 4 1 6 6 0 6 1 5 6 2 4 and 6 3 3. Now with 5 it will be 5 5 2, there will be 5 4 3, and finally will be this 4 4 and 4. So altogether we have 9 and 10, 19 cases. So there will be these 19 cases in which we can distribute these 12 identical balls in 3 identical boxes. Now we have to find the probability that one of the boxes contains exactly 3 balls. Now here we have 3, here we have 3, here also we have 3, here we have 3, and here also we have 3. Now this language is not exactly clear. Now when it says one of the boxes contains exactly 3 balls, so does that mean out of the 3 boxes there is only one which contains exactly 3? So if that is the case, then we'll discard this. So this probability will be 4 by 19 if 2 boxes cannot have 3 3, and if it is 3 balls in at least one of the boxes, then in that case this probability will be 5 by 19 and it doesn't match any of the options. This question, it should not be 12 identical balls in 3 identical boxes. So what else it could be? Now we can take 12 identical balls in 3 distinct boxes. Now suppose we have 3 boxes, box 1, box 2 and box 3. Suppose we have x1, x2 and x3 number of balls in this. Then here we'll have x1 plus x2 plus x3. It must be equal to 12. So total number of ways of distributing these 12 balls in 3 distinct boxes will be n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1, and there will be 14 c2, which is 91. So that's our total cases. Now we have to find the favorable cases in which one of the boxes contains exactly 3 balls. Now suppose x1 is 3. Now if x1 is 3, then we get x2 plus x3 equals 9. Now solution to this is 9 plus 2 minus 1 c 2 minus 1, which is simply 10. Now in these 10 cases, we have this one case when he'll be this 3 3 and 6, and this one case when he'll be 3 6 and 3. So what we'll do is we'll discard these 2 cases. So then we have 8. So it'll be 8 cases when x1 is 3. In the same way, for x2 equals 3, we'll have 8 cases. And for x3 equals 3, we'll again have 8 cases. So this required probability when exactly one of the box contains 3 balls, it will be 24 by 91. But if the question is at least one of the box contains exactly 3 balls, then in that case we have to include all these 6 cases, and in these 6 cases, 3 of them they are repetitions. So in that case, this property will be 24 plus 3, 27 by 91. So this is also not it. Now if it is 12 distinct in 3 identical boxes, then it's a distribution problem, which is very lengthy to calculate. So I won't calculate that one. So now I'll consider this case, right? We have 12 distinct balls which are to be placed in 3 distinct boxes. So now we have 12 distinct balls which are to be placed in 3 distinct boxes. Now for each ball, we have 3 choices. So total number of ways of distributing these 12 balls in 3 boxes will be 3 into 3 into 3, 12 times, and that will be 3 to the power 12. Now the condition is one of the box contains exactly 3 balls. Now first we'll calculate which box contains these 3 balls. So it will be 3C1. Now in this box we have to select 3 balls from 12 distinct balls, which can be done in 12C 3 ways. Now we are left with 9 balls and 2 boxes. Now these 9 balls, they are to be distributed in these 2 boxes. Now if we consider the case when at least one of the boxes has 3 balls, then for each of the 9 balls we have 2 choices. So it can be distributed in remaining 2 boxes 2 to the power 9 ways. So in this case, this required property will be 3 and then 12, 11, 10, 3 to 2 to the power 9 upon 3 to the power 12. Now this 3 will cancel. This is 5. Now this is 3 to the power 11 and this is 2 to the power 11. So we'll write this as 55 into 2 by 3 to the power 11, which again doesn't match with any option. Another question is exactly one of them should contain 3 balls. In that case, from these 2 to the power 9 cases, we have to remove all those cases in which we have distributed them as 3 and 6. Now we can write this as factorial 9, factorial 3, factorial 6, and then it will be multiplied with factorial 2. In that case, this property will be 3C1 into 12C3 to the power 9 minus 2 into 9C3 divided by 3 to the power 12.